If you want to adjust the brightness on the Xiaomi Watch 5, you can, for example, swipe up on the watch face to open the control center, and by default here you should be able to find this sun button, which is the brightness settings. And here, if you go to adjust manually, which is available if the automatic brightness is off, then you should be able to adjust the brightness quite easily. You can use, for example, the crown in order to easily decrease and increase the brightness to adjust it, to put it simple. In simple words, you can also go to settings instead of opening the control center. So if you press the crown, then on this list you can go to settings over here, and then we can go to display. There we go. And then here in display settings, we have brightness. And like I said, if automatic brightness is enabled, then you cannot adjust the brightness. You have to turn off automatic brightness in order to be able to adjust the brightness manually. Leave a like and subscribe.